Hello and welcome. We have a chimney kit for a 25-foot chimney liner, rigid pipe, stainless steel, brand new, never used, for sale. Please, if you have any questions, give me a shout at 267-994-5390. Welcome back. So the project that I was hoping, part 2 of installing the chimney liner up there on my house, looks like it fell through because I made a huge mistake, and I'm going to make sure that I share this, even though it's killing me because I should have known better. I've done enough do-it-yourself projects, but I didn't inspect the chimney all the way down, and it has a little curve. So this straight, rigid, beautiful stainless steel pipe kit, chimney kit is not going to work. So if you're interested in buying the kit, give me a shout, 267-994-5390. Anyway, thanks.